Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, here is an update upon BRPR FXEA. We were trading with this expert advisor since last year from August onwards, and recently we closed that account and started a fresh account. But still want to give you some update. This is a new account, and this is with some new settings. Some changes in the settings actually, and not new settings. Okay, and so this is specifically for Euro USD, and it used to take like a reverse trading that we call two sides averaging. That is an optional in case if you would like to choose. Okay, so the minimum requirement for this expert advisor is 1,000, and if you can trade with 1,200 to 1,500, that would be ideal. Okay, so we started with 1,000 on 27th of March. I think that was the date, or maybe a week back, we closed our previous account because that was already running from last 7 months and more. And we wanted to start with a fresh account. Okay. So we started with the 1,000, and here is the update 27th of uh, that is March, and today is 8th of May. I'm creating this video today because of certain specific reasons, but I will tell you later. Let's go to the history. So I think like it's been 6 weeks. Maybe we will be completing 6 weeks on Friday, but there are certain reasons that I'm creating this video a little early, and I will just let you know the reason for that. Okay, so okay, so we made a deposit of 1,001, and we made a profit of 191. Okay, in approximately 6 weeks. Okay, if you would like to see the running trades, these are the running trades right now. As I said, two side averaging. That depends on situation to situation, but in this case, as you can see, there are a couple of sell trades and there are a couple of buy trades. Okay, and let me show you the MyFX book link of the previous account as well as this account. So this is the MyFX book page of the previous account. We were trading this account from 21st of August, and we traded it uh, till March 26. Okay, so March 27 is the one that I just showed you. So March 26, I think we closed a little earlier, but yes, it is showing up to March 26, or so that is fine. So that was the monthly profit at an average was 21%, and drawdown is 42.14%. Okay, so to keep this drawdown a little lower, and at the same moment, profitability will also go a little lower. Uh, okay, so it was in in August, September, October, November, and December, and this is the performance in January, February, and March. Okay, this is the previous account, and the account just I just showed you, this is the FX book of that one. Okay, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. So far the maximum drawdown has been like 14.73%. Okay, and the monthly return is 13% as of now. Okay, this could increase, this could decrease, that depends on situation to situation. This is the floating, as you can see. So March 27th we started. So it is just 1.65%. In April it was around 14.61%, and in May 2.22%. Okay, so this is, and I will share these two links in the video description also. So the reason why I'm showing you this update, there are two reasons. See, right. So this is the account that we were talking about. Okay. And the problem is like I deposited it through Skrill, and now and there were various deposit options earlier and various withdrawal options as well. But now the withdrawal options are very much limited, and even if I would like to withdraw, there is no option of Skrill. Okay, there is no Skrill option, and even in crypto, that keeps me up to the extent that I deposited. Say, suppose I deposited 200 USD and I gain a profit of 600, but I can only withdraw 200 that I deposited. And there are just two options, that is bank transfer only. Okay, so that is the reason actually I would like to quit these account from here, and probably I will trade with BRPR, EA in any other account where I don't have any such kind of restriction, because there is no matter like where I am trading, like I can trade it for a year, but when I am going to withdraw, there are not much options available, because I deposited through Skrill, that was a digital payment, and now there is an option of bank transfer. It takes few days, and there are multi compliances and all those stuff, right? So for me, like maybe even for this account, I would like to withdraw the funds, and probably I will try to trade on any other account later. I'm so sorry. Actually, that was the only intention, that I will create a fresh account and will be showing it to you, and maybe like I will continue this account for a little longer. But just because of the withdrawal reason, because like if you don't have any flexibility in the withdrawal, then it doesn't matter like how long I'm going to continue the account, right? So it is not comfortable for me. So probably this is a very good broker with a very good trading conditions, but unfortunately for us here, based on the country or the regulatory issues or like whatever, now the withdrawal options are very much limited, which personally for me is not very compatible with me. So that is the reason I'm going to withdraw these funds. And again, so this is the account as you just saw, and this is right. So it is almost like 7 months earlier, and then again 1.5 months here. So it's almost a trade history of around 8.5 months that you already have with this expert advisor. So maybe I will try to trade with this expert advisor again on a fresh account where there is no such compulsion or any other kind of limitation in terms of deposit and withdrawal options. Okay, so this is the only update that I would like to provide it to you. Generally, I used to create the videos on Friday, but after Friday, even if I put a withdrawal, it will take another few days, because I mean 2 days will be gone during the weekend, and then maybe it will be processed the next week. So I would like to, I mean, as soon as these trades will close, or even I can close the trades on break even, or maybe at little profit, or maybe a little loss. But just wanted to create this video so that so that I can put a withdrawal as soon as I close the trades. Okay, so this is the only update. In case if you have any question about this expert advisor, you can always go to my previous videos, as you can see it over there, and you can contact me over email or telegram in case if you would like to have any other query regarding this expert advisor or any other expert advisor videos that I uploaded in my YouTube channel. So please join my Telegram channel also. I have created like there are two Telegram channel links in the video description. One is exclusively for the expert advisor videos that I upload on YouTube, and the second one is a mix of various other things. So like have a look, and just I just want to keep you posted. So take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Look forward to talk to you soon. Bye.